Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a private board on monday.com. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register if you already do not have one. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the home button and my work. And also we have some of your boards here. In the top right corner, as you can see, we have a lot of options that you can go in on for your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a private board on monday.com. So firstly, what you need to do guys is go and click on the top right corner and click on your profile here. As you can see, when you click there, when you're there, you just need to go and click on your settings. When you click on settings, you will have a option where you can go and click change board types. So when you go and click on the change board types, there guys, you can go and then change the type from the board. It will have an option here to invite that is not private. You will be creating it to be a private board, which you can then go and use as a private, as we talk, as the private board. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.